Okay guys, 2024 Lincoln Aviator, under 4,000 miles, closer to 3,000. Rebuilt title, damage was in this rear, nothing was touched on the front. Super clean. Good looks at those rims and tires. Here's your VIN number. These are illuminated kick plates. Bolster, power fold. Start it up here for you. $2,805. I made a mistake on the miles. Less than 3,000. I do see a little lane departure and adaptive cruise, but it looks like they go back here. Heated, cooled seats. All your ambient lighting. So all the different driver assist they have. Pretty in depth. Charging ports. .360 camera, so park assist. Take a good look at the seat. It looks almost brand new here. I believe this does have the element package. It's got heated and cooled seats in the rear. This is the captain's chairs. Got the big panoramic sunroof. Nice Michelin tires. Power lift gate, power fold. Looks like it has storage under here. So damage was right through here. Take a good look at it. This guy's doing an amazing job. Brand new manual's not open. Key lock. Nice Aviator, all-wheel drive, Reserve, Element package.